Hi Matrix, this is Lee from Watobi, one of the tutors, and I'm pleased to be able to tell you about an analytical geometry course that I'm going to be running on Saturday, the 30th of October. It starts at 10 a.m. and finishes at 1 p.m., so it's 3 hours of intensive analytical geometry. We're going to focus a little bit in the beginning on grade 11 geometry because there are concepts there that are still tested in Matric. So, finding the equation of a straight line, calculating an angle of inclination, those sorts of determining length, midpoint, gradient of a line. But the focus of the course is going to be on grade 12 analytical geometry. So the focus is on circles that are not centered at the origin, finding the equation, working with tangents to circles, etc., etc. So yeah, towards the end of the course, I will spend a bit of time talking about exam type questions, but just sort of running through the main concepts and the things that you need to know before you write your exam. So yes, please do come and join me. I really look forward to seeing all of you there, and I think it'll be very interesting and you'll be able to benefit hugely from that as a final push towards your exams. See you then.